He does.
Huh?
You smell good.
What the hell?
You said nothing about videotaping. You agreed to it already. You have to sit there.
She's like.
Oh, sorry.
This is a video of rape, by the way.
We
They
need-
dress guys
Maddie,
up
go
and
get
then
some hair clips. Just get my whole hair stuff
they
in my
dress them up
closet.
as girls. Hey, they dress them up as girls and rape them. This has
Don't
been-
believe him.
Oh, it doesn't-
This has been going on
He's a
for
roof
years.
feeder. No, he's under drug.
Are you kidding me? They raped me. Spencer's look on your pictures.
6 o'clock in the evening.
Now they're forcing me to take off my
She
jacket.
takes a
No,
shower.
whatever.
I know.
Keep-
Keep it on. It's sparkly. See, sparkle. Sparkle.
They're raping me.
I know that sound.
I know.
It is the sound of sleep.
What is that?
Oh, damn. It's foundation.
Just leave
my
it.
color.
No, yes it is.
That
It
is
is.
not my
I
color.
know, just trust me.
First time.
Yeah, this phone's still in my pants.
This phone has been a lot of places.
I know.
That's my.
Hold on, I gotta get my don't pants a look little over tight, here. but I can get it. I know.
There you
I'm
go.
not looking into the eyes of my rapers.
I know. You don't have to look in my eyes. You have to look this way, though.
If you are going to end it,
All three rapers.
Okay, Maddie, there's something in my, under my cabinet, it's like a big case of like eyeshadow and stuff. We're not using the eyeshadow on you.
no. In some ways, yes. What about looking at this one? Their relationship is very happy.
Yes, I have.
Yes.
We really only have
This song.
She's a lot better than me. Also, she's afraid to
This
stand
is
up
the
to
opposite.
her.
Guys get raped, not girls. They dressed me up before the ritual of a virgin raping.
These are some of the things from her locker.
It's not in there.
Maybe
Oh.
you'll be able to find something.
It might be in my closet.
Maddie.
I need it, like, really bad. Oh, sorry.
Who's that? Santa Claus is calling you. You get her?
Yes. I think we did. A final meeting with Mr. King. This one's scheduled for later.
Love this song.
I know.
You got one.
You know what's the song called?
Why was
Huh?
Feel good. I'm feeling good.
In the pants.
I got that.
Guys, do you know where the cap is?
No, it's over there. If there's no more cap, then she can put more on. I'm gonna sit down.
His name's Alejandro Gillespie. March 7th, 2012. What time is it?
I don't know.
See you do? It's on your phone.
No, it's not.
Tom is like, what time is it?
It is 7:34.
Raped 20 minutes ago, and they're preparing for another rape.
I need it.
3 of them. Megan Anderson, Chelsea, Maddie.
I love how you don't say our last names.
I'm not naming last names. I want her to go to jail. You guys are fine. You guys were forced. Do I get one?
Hey, what is that? Oh. Where'd you get these?
Starting up the rape now. Catch your shit.
It's not rape if you like it.
I yelled. Top my lungs. Yelling rape.
Now my sparkly. You're at my house, I hope you know that's normal.
No. Last time? Yeah, polish.
Get clear, unlimited 4G take it with you internet with no data limits.
You let us do this, so it's kind of your fault, so it's not rape if you enjoy it.
Yeah, because you.
I yelled your father's name out loud.
That was weird.
Yeah, it looks like it didn't work.
What?
I need
Oh my gosh, this side of his face looks pure white and this side looks kind of tan.
They raped me. They were feeling my felt. They were feeling my belly, and after feeling me.
We're also raping your phone.
Breaking
Close your eyes.
See right there? Pure phone. Pure phone.
Okay. No, not tight.
Just relax. Like you're sleeping.
Fucking horrible.
I know that one. Alright, yeah.
See? It's rape.